foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you the aftermath of the election. It was announced a few hours ago that Joe Biden won the US presidential election, so I decided to come back to DC to see what the mood would be like, and people are pretty freaking happy. So they've closed up some more streets around the area, but it sounds like a big party. I'm still walking basically from the mall all the way here. All the streets are closed and there are a lot of people out.
So I'm telling you right now, DC is about the lives that are here, the black lives that we lost, and we're here to make sure that that never happens again. We're here to protect our people.
Alright, so there's not a lot I can add to what you've seen. It's basically the entire city has turned into a huge party. These are blocks and blocks and blocks away from where I was on election night, and there are people everywhere. It's definitely a lot more crowded, and everybody seems to be in a good mood. There's just a lot of people dancing, singing, there's music everywhere, and it's just a nice atmosphere. So I just wanted to give you this quick look around the White House and really up to the mall and all the blocks surrounding it on this, I guess, final election day. I suppose it started on Tuesday and now it's pretty much over, at least from the results point of view. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button down below, and while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.